So my name is Petra Foubert. I was a Boas scholar in 1999, so more than 10 years ago. I'm currently working at the University of Hasselt, I should say Hasselt University actually, where I am the program director of the brand new law school, which has been set up like 5 years ago. So in the meantime, we have attracted a lot of students, and we're trying as well to send out students abroad, and fortunately one of our alumni now has been selected to go and study at in the United States. Also, my current PhD student, Toon Monen, he became a Boas scholar 1 year ago, so it was very nice for me to actually receive a handwritten letter by Frank Boas in which he expressed his pleasure to see that actually a second generation of Boas scholars would come to Harvard. It has definitely changed me as a person. The scholarship gave me the opportunities to study in the United States, and I didn't live on campus, but I rented a room in an apartment together with 3 roommates, and I still am in touch with my American roommates. So I met 2 MIT scientists, which is a completely different world, and they still live in the US. They have their children and their families there, and I am in touch with them. So in this respect, it's sort of opened up my world, and I have friends in the United States, which is quite special for an LLM student, because most of the students sort of stick together in their international community, which is nice too, but I sort of open it up and I actually wanted to meet American students, which was really nice, and I still have these friends. And then it also gave me the opportunity to actually add something to my PhD back in Belgium. So I finished up my PhD when I came back, and in the meantime I became a professor myself at Hasselt University. So I'm quite convinced that this scholarship sort of helped me to actually reach the position I am in now. I would like to thank you, Frank, because you gave me the opportunity to study at Harvard in the United States, and it actually is, as was described by Mark this evening, that like when I first got the scholarship, it was like really nice to actually get it, because I didn't have the money myself to pay for these studies. I would have never had the opportunity to go there without the scholarship, and I had made up for myself that I wouldn't go if I wouldn't obtain funding, because I just simply didn't have the money. My family didn't have it either. So he actually gave me the opportunity to go there, but once I was back from the United States and I ended up my PhD and started to work first in a law firm and then in academia again, and I got my 3 children in the meantime, I sort of realized that this is much more than just an amount of money to actually enable me to go and study in the US, but it sort of forms your personality, which I think is very important.